Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the best essential oils for relieving seasonal allergies. Let's dive in. First up, lavender essential oil. Known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, it's perfect for relieving nasal congestion and headaches. Next is peppermint essential oil. Its strong anti-inflammatory and decongestant properties can help open up the nasal passages and improve breathing. Eucalyptus essential oil is well known for its ability to relieve respiratory issues. Diffuse it to reduce nasal congestion and improve breathing. Lemon essential oil has natural antihistamine and immune-boosting properties. Diffuse it to purify the air and reduce allergy symptoms. Finally, tea tree essential oil. With powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, it can help reduce inflammation and fight infections. Remember to choose high-quality essential oils and use them safely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more natural